Benfer Bayside, a luxury boutique of only 13 townhouses. We have sold 10. We have 3 left. Let's have a look.
We are one in a million. Tonight's the night we come alive. I do and you don't.
Of the 3, this one is special. Semi-detached, 2 bedrooms, study, 2.5 bathrooms, private grounds, bay view, but best of all, 2-car garage.
Says it's right for me. So can I get a one dance? Cause I wanna be the one dancing. I wanna be the one better and stronger and faster. Bottle up and get going. The road is running up slowly. I wanna be the one better and stronger and faster.
Days like these, where else would you want to be but at Victoria Point? You have shopping centres, you have cafes, but best of all, you have Moreton Bay as your backdrop.